This is a video tour of number 29 Woodfield Road. The house has got 5 bedrooms and is approached via a gravel laid driveway which leads to gated side access ahead. There is also a raised foregarden area. You can see that there is a tree here. There is also a brick wall in original keeping to the house just outside the front there. Now the house has been extended, so where the door and windows are, that is an extension, and you can see it's in good keeping with the original property. The entrance door is approached via 2 steps up leading to an open canopy area where there is a wall mounted light, and then you do have a main entrance door which leads through to a good sized hallway. So the current owners do use the hall as a reception area. In the hallway there are 2 windows to side aspect. There is also a window overlooking the front of the property as well, which again is in original keeping to the house. In the hallway there are a range of ceiling spotlights. There is also partial decorative coving, wood flooring, and there is a radiator. On the right hand side, this brick wall area here is the original exterior wall to the house, which is a homage to the extension. From here there is an opening through to the main reception room. There is also an opening here to a lobby area where you do have stairs that go to the first floor accommodation. There is a feature glass brick wall there. You'll notice that the flooring does continue from the hallway. Ahead there is a radiator and door to the cellar. On the right hand side, this is the smaller of the reception rooms. In here there is an original style bay window to front aspect, 1 ceiling light point, decorative coving, a picture rail. There is also bookshelving to the recesses, and there is also an original style inset fireplace with tile surround. Again, in this room there is a radiator and the flooring is wood. So just to show you the other side of the room. So you can see I had the foregarden through the window, and as I pan around you can see the other walls. Now the main living area is located at the rear of the property. This is accessed via the entrance hall, and you do have an opening here from the entrance hallway leading into a good sized reception room. In the reception room there are French style doors with windows over to rear aspect, an additional window. You do have 2 chimney breasts in this room, so this one you can see on the left. There is also another chimney breast on the right hand side where there is bookshelving, and there is also a recess there with a tiled hearth. There is a radiator below the window, and on the right hand side you can see the internal brick glassing from the inner lobby area, and there are double doors here to a pantry area where there is enough space to get a fridge freezer in. The recess to the chimney breast on the right side of the wall, you can see the tiled hearth in there, and I'm just going to pan around so you can see the space in here. Now from this room there is an opening through into the kitchen dining room. The kitchen dining room does have 2 doors on the left, so you've got the first door here. There is also a bay window with French doors towards the rear of the kitchen. You can see that there are a range of windows, so you do have a window at the bottom of the kitchen. You do also have a bay window here on the left, and in situ there is a sink, 1.5 bowl sink with drainer unit, under counter plumbing for tumble dryer, storage space. And on the right hand side of the kitchen you do have space for a range style cooker with cooker hood over, tiled wall, under counter plumbing and space for a dishwasher and washing machine, additional storage, and you do also have wall units in here as well. The dining area is located towards the rear of the room. In this space there is a radiator, dining table, and you do have the French doors on the side which do take you out into the rear garden. Before we head out into the garden, I just want to show you the flooring in here, which is lime flagstone. Now the rear garden is accessible via the kitchen dining room, this gated side access, and also via the larger reception room. And out here there is a gravel area just below the windows there and the doors from the larger reception room. You do also then have a paved seating area here. On the left hand side you can see that there is a raised border with brick. There is a tree, and this does lead round to where there are steps leading up to the first lawn area. So the garden is a good size. Just going to pan round. Now in the lawn area you can see that there are large borders. Now towards the rear of the garden you do have an entryway here to an additional paved seating area, which does lead to the rear of the garden where there is a further lawn space. You can see that there is fencing. There's also conifers. There is an acer tree, and you do also have a shed in the corner there. So you do have a good amount of space out in the garden, incredibly private and also quiet too. There is accessed via the entrance hall with a staircase leading down to a main one-room area, and the sizes of this are available on the sales particulars. You can see on the left there is a feature recess to the chimney breast. Ahead you do have a coal slab area, and on here I would imagine that would have been the original coal chute there as well. There are 2 light points down here, and it does provide a good storage area. First floor of the property is approached via the inner lobby, which does have a staircase leading up with a turning point up to the first floor landing. On the first floor landing there is 2 ceiling light points. There are archways leading to bedrooms 1 and 3. There is also a paddle staircase which does lead up to the second floor accommodation. Bedroom 1 is located at the rear of the property. In this room there is a window facing the rear garden. So just to show you the view from here. Inside the room there is 1 ceiling light point, radiator, and plenty of space to get wardrobes, drawers in. The sizes of the room are all available on our sales particulars. Bedroom number 2 faces the front of the property. In the room there is an original style window overlooking the foregarden. There is 1 ceiling light point, a radiator, and a range of built-in storage cupboards which are located either side of the chimney breast. Bedroom number 3 faces the rear. In this room again there is an original style window overlooking the rear garden. There is 1 ceiling light point, a radiator. There is also from this room access to an ensuite shower room. Inside the shower room there is a window to side aspect. There are a range of ceiling spotlights. The flooring is tiled. There is an inset corner shower cubicle with wall mounted shower, pedestal wash hand basin with a mixer tap, low level flush WC and a radiator. Bedroom number 4 is situated at the front. In the room there is a window to front aspect, a ceiling light point. There is also a radiator. The family bathroom is located next to this room. In the bathroom there is an obscure window to side aspect. The walls are partially tiled. There are a range of ceiling spotlights, tiled flooring, low level flush WC, pedestal wash hand basin with a mixer tap over, a radiator and a roll top claw footed tub with mixer tap over. Lastly, on this floor there is access to a shower room. Inside the shower room there is a ceiling light point. The walls are fully tiled, as is the floor. And there is an enclosed shower cubicle with glass doors, wall mounted shower over, which does also have 2 shower heads. Bedroom number 5 is located on the 2nd floor via the paddle stairs. On the 2nd floor landing there is a skylight allowing natural daylight into the area. There is a storage space, and then you've got the 5th room. In bedroom number 5 there is a window, dormer window to front aspect. There is also a skylight to the rear of the room and currently a study area. Now that does conclude the video tour for the property. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided and we will look forward to seeing you soon.